CX Automatic Desktop 4 Nozzles Electric Magnetic Gear Pump Filling Machine. Machine is designed for liquid filling, suitable for essential oil, ink, edible oil, alcohol, disinfectant, essence, toner, makeup remover, liquor, mineral water and other liquid medicine and chemical products. Filling nozzles position is adjustable for different size of bottles or jars. Small desktop design but with 4 filling nozzles, high filling production capacity. Four pump for 4 filling nozzles, separate and independent control. Operating language can be written into your own national language. Filling speed, filling time, conveyor speed are all adjustable. Advanced design, fully stainless steel machine body, beautiful and durable. PLC control, perfect performance and efficient in the filling process. World-famous electric accessories and pneumatic accessories. CE certificate and meet the GMP standard. 2 years warranty offered, worry-free for you to purchase. Factory direct and we have more than 10 years packing machines manufacturing experience. Thank you for watching and please feel free to contact us for machines further information. CX Pack, your most professional, trustworthy and ideal packing machines partner.